Hey everyone, welcome back to sgrvtech class. Today I'm going to unboxing this 1 by vacuum tablet. I have purchased it from online, from Amazon. I have purchased this one, and the cost of this one is 6,700. So you can see here the color of this pad is red and black color. With this I got one pen with three nibs, and this is the guide. Okay, so it means how to use this and everything they have written in that. So let me open this digital pad. So this is totally covered with that plastic paper. The covering and this packing was really nice, and even the delivery also. So here now I'm going to connect this one with my laptop. If you have a PC, then you can also. So here you can see the very small plug. So just you plug it, and now I'm going to plug the another end of this connector to my laptop. Yeah, so now you can see guys, here I have opened my white color board. You observe that white color. So if that white light on, it means that is on. And you can see here good evening. I have written good evening, and you can see the circle and these all things, and also you can change the pen of the color here. And basically my handwriting is not good because this is the first time. And if you're a teacher, then you can purchase this 1 by vacuum. Really, this is working very nicely. Even you can also connect with to your mobile phone also. So this is the best digital pad, and yeah, thank you.